Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. And this today's video I'm gonna show you how to do underwater effect in CapCut Mobile. Okay, here I have created a project in my CapCut application and we're going to do underwater effect for this video. So if you want to add underwater effect, we have to add a video effect to our video. We can click on the effect option and here you can select video effect and we have to choose the light effect right here. Choose the light effect category and we're going to select the water reflection effect, this one. Tap on this video effect and apply this video effect to your video and click on this check mark and we're going to adjust the length. I'm going to extend the effect to make it align with the video. And to make it more underwater, we have to put like a sound effect to our video. So we can click on the audio and click on the sound apx. And here you can search for the underwater sound effect like this. And you can choose the suitable effect for your video. And I'm just going to select this effect. Click on this plus button to add the effect to your video. Okay, and now let's just take a look at the final result. I'm going to play the video. Okay. Alright guys, and that's how we can do underwater effect in CapCut. I hope this tutorial will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching and see you in the next video.